Yeah, here. Hey guys, what's up? This is JJ and this is my little buddy, Reed.
Hi.
Say hi, Reed.
Hi.
Hold that, hang on. All right, so anyways, there has been a lot of talk here lately about on the 2017 and up F250s with the 6.2 gas engine, a lot of talk about hard starts, and mine has been doing it since it's been nearly new. I have taken it to the dealerships. Of course, they always tell me I'm crazy, they can't get it to replicate the problem, blah, blah, blah. It is a problem on these trucks, evidently, with the, I've heard two things, with the purge valve, which is located right there. And then also with, I've heard that it's a problem with the fuel pumps on these trucks, and that actually, I've read some threads online with a few of the dealerships actually figuring out the issue and having to replace the fuel pump. Of course, they only want to do that after the warranty's out. My dealership said they couldn't get it to do what I was talking about. I ended up having some vacuum lines that had been chewed up by rodents. So they fixed that, which was throwing a check engine light, but still that did not fix the problem with the hard start. That was a completely separate issue. Quit, get off the door. Anyways, the truck has been doing it, I've noticed. And all you guys watch this probably know what I'm talking about. It only does it when it's hot out. It seems like 70 degrees and up is the only time the truck will do it. When it's cold out, it won't do it. It starts up fine every time. Even after you've just drove it, let it sit for a little while, cranks up fine. I've noticed too, an issue I've been having is like when it's parked on an incline. As you can see my driveway, you know, we're kind of sitting on a slope right here. I drove the truck about 10 o'clock this morning, just a short distance down the road, but the engine did, you know, warm up all the way. It is almost 4 o'clock. So it's been right at 7 hours almost since I've drove the truck, and it seems like that makes a difference because it seems like even when it's hot out, if you drive it, shut it off, jump right back in it, crank it up, it's fine. It seems like after it's warmed up and you park it for a few hours, then get back in the truck, that's when it does the hard start. Now, whether or not it does it this time, I don't know. So we're gonna stand outside, crank the truck up, see if it does it. Here you go, buddy. You got the keys, I gave it to me.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did, buddy. Did you put them in the truck?
No, you got your watch out.
Read.
Oh.
Do you not have the keys?
No,
Where did you put them at, Reed?
I didn't.
Reed. Where are they at? Where are they at? Wow, hang on, y'all. He's done lost the keys. This is horrible. Here you go. Yep, you had them. Blaming you. My bad. All right, just bump the key like we always do start it. Let's see what it does. All right, that's good. Shut it off. All right, I don't know if y'all heard that. It did actually do kind of what we wanted to do. If you notice, there was almost like a slight miss or hesitation there when we cranked it up. That's usually what it does. Sometimes it's just a real long crank. I have actually had the truck miss out so bad while trying to crank up, it won't start up at all. I got to turn the key off, turn it back on. But like I said, the two areas I'm reading online from what you guys are saying is it's the purge valve, which is up here on top of the engine, or the fuel pump losing its prime. That's another big thing I'm hearing is the fuel pump losing its prime. And it's evidently Ford had a problem with these trucks on, and I've even looked up the fuel pump. And if you look it up, there's like a different part number listed now for a updated fuel pump. Personally, they should have done a recall on it, but they didn't. The fuel pump, I think it's several $100s. I'm gonna try first changing out this purge valve up here because it's just a simple, easy, quick fix. They're not very much. I think they're $30, $40. Might be more if I am, just, you know, get the cheapest place you can. That's what I'm gonna do. But we're gonna change that out first, see how the truck does. If they don't fix it, then we're gonna look into the fuel pump. So there you go, 2017 and up, F250, 6.2 gas engine, hard start.